Recruiters like John can make use of ARS's recruiter module to find out the top candidates for a given job. All they need to do is add the job description, select the country of interest, and expected job experience of the candidate. Once all this is done and the Find Potential Candidates button is clicked, the algorithm starts doing its work. The system searches across its vast dataset of experienced professionals all around the globe and matches it against the job description. TF-IDF, K-nearest neighbor algorithms, and natural language processing are used along with the candidate ranking algorithm to fetch the top 5 candidates. Once all the candidates are recommended, recruiters can also see their employability score and emotional quotient indicator to make their decision.
Candidates like Jane can make use of ARS's candidate module to find out how they compare with other candidates. For this model to work best, it's advisable that all fields be filled with as much relevant information as possible. Jane will fill this form and click on the Calculate Scores button. This profile gets a score of 8 on 10 for employability and its emotional quotient indicator is 6 on 10. The candidate framework converts all text entries to numerical values, which are supplied to the multiple linear regression model that calculates the employability score of the candidate. This model is trained using the candidate score of over 200,000 candidates. To calculate the emotional quotient indicator, the model fetches the tweets of the users from its Twitter handle and performs sentiment analysis on its tweets as well as the text entries from the interest and summary field on this page. The project uses React JavaScript, a JavaScript library for front-end development, and the backend runs a Flask server which has all the project logic, that is the ML algorithms as well as various models which are being loaded as pickle files. And that's about it.